Your phone should be in your pocket. I passed it to you.
Stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on two separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on two separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
So guys, we are here at the Flamingo Hotel right now, and they have a free flamingo habitat. It is pretty awesome. They have flamingos, ducks, waterfalls, and it's really cool at night. Keyword cool at night. So
For real, really cool. No, honestly though, she's not lying, guys. The flamingo exhibit is pretty dope. You got a bunch of places where you can see the information about the birds that they have here at this exhibit. Not only that, there's a bunch of spots that you can hang out by yourself with kind of like a secluded feeling.
It's nice open.
It's
area.
really cool. So you can just chill, kick it, relax.
If you have your little ones here in Vegas, you definitely got to bring them here. We're gonna enjoy it, and we'll catch you guys soon. Hey boy, get your ass out of there, boy. I think I just found the pool. Is this it?
Yes, it is.
So should we jump in now? Do you guys see the water slide? To find some food, and Dave's hot chicken it is.
Dave's.
If you know, you know. Operation Find the Bathroom.
There's blood all over the chicken.
Guys, I have gotten ID'd at every single bar I have went to. Please comment down below and let me know what age you think I am, because I'm curious to know. We are in a ballroom we probably should not be in. Let me rephrase that. We are in a ballroom we should not be in, and It is so beautiful. We won't eat our chicken there. Or take a shot. Caesar, are you okay?
Sorry, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
What the fuck? What if it was a fire?
Okay, you need to call the link on your phone. Grab that.